Here's an interesting app, which is called WAG, where you can book dog walkers and sitters, and also like trusted pet care service any day, anytime. Um, yeah, it's #1 app for the pet parents, offering 5-star dog walking, pet sitting, vet care, and training services nationwide. Recently, this app really went into top charts. And yeah, a lot of people like dogs, and this app makes your life much easier. You can get like peace of mind, and if, instead of figuring out how to do it in exact way, you can just yeah use the app. So then you can just create your account with Apple, Google, or Facebook. So let's continue. I usually create with Apple because it's the fastest way for me. And let's just explore so how the app looks like. Then you need to enter your phone number. I'm not sure if this app accepts. Okay, so I think it's only working in US. So let's try it out. Okay, so you can even continue without the phone number, but then probably you can add more of the services later. So this is your profile. You can view your profile. You still need to add like your phone number. And then yeah, you see home. So then okay, you need to agree to that. You need to select either walk-in, drop-in, overnight, web chat, training. So yeah, you need to add your address before you can continue. Yeah, just for an example. So yeah, something like that. And then you can also enter your phone number. And then, for example, you can select walking, book a dog walk. So you can select express walk or deluxe walk, meet your walker. And then you can schedule or tell like SAP, I'm requesting a walk today. You need to add a pet name. So you need to add and then you need to add like your pet photo. So that's what you can do, but I don't know. Oops. Okay, so I don't know. Okay, can I just add some random photo here? So yeah, this is just a random. And then here you can confirm your details. And then you need to have set home access. You need to select how caregiver will enter your home, and then you need to upload the photo of WAG logbox, or someone will be home. So that's basically notes for caregivers. Anyway, that's just an idea. And then there you have it. Then you just need to confirm details. You can give a tip to caregiver, and then you can select book now. You can select premium. But then this is what you can do, and then you just book your express walk or deluxe walk, or all of that. And that's basically how it works. You can also schedule it in the future, so you can schedule dates and repeat it weekly. Like you can schedule every Monday, every day of the week, and then just do that, and someone will walk with your dog. Then you can see here there are also other categories like drop in. Walk too much today, a pet caregiver will keep your pet happy with a potty break and playtime. So just overnight training. So training is interesting because of course you can have a dog, but it's super important that, especially if it is a bigger dog, that it's trained. And then there is also a veterinarian option. Then you can browse all the categories, and then you can message specific dog walkers on this app, so you can see that these are real people. There are some real reviews, so you can see a lot of reviews here, like 5 stars, verified walks from 2021. So you can see here, you can select the filter and select all the people in this area. So that's fun. If you invite friends, you can give you can receive $20. You can see your messages. You can see your schedule, caregivers, past services, media gallery, payments. Also, if you want, you can upgrade to WAG Premium, 10% of all services, no booking fees, top-rated caregivers, free vet service, 24/7 VIP support, and that's $9.99 for a monthly plan, or $7.99 per month if billed annually, $95.99. So you can also do lifetime plan for $300 one-time charge. That's about that. So if you like the app, if you're using it regularly, I would really suggest just to try this app to use, just a few times, and then of course, if you're using it regularly, just upgrade, because then you have access to top rated people and caregivers, free vet advice, support, and 10% off of all services, no booking fees. So then it kind of makes sense. But if you're using this app like two times, doesn't make sense to upgrade already. So then there are also settings. Then there's account. You can delete your account. You can sign out of everywhere, just in case. If you're not happy or you don't want that your data is kind of accessible in this app. So that's that. Then accessibility. You can always contact support and all of that. So that's the idea of the app. It's very simple to use. There are all these promos, and enjoy them as well. And yeah, so pretty interesting app, and that's why it's in the top charts recently. Maybe it was featured somewhere on TikTok or something like that. So anyway, thank you for watching. Enjoy my TikTok, and I have also my personal blog, Mr. Hack.io, and thank you for watching.